In this video I'll show you exactly how to turn a viral clip like this one of Bigfoot trying a Red Bull.
Alright, mortals keep saying Red Bull gives you wings. Bro, I already live in trees, what else do I need?
Into a high converting ad for your brand like this one.
Mortals keep saying, bro, try AG1, it'll boost your energy. Boost? I already exist in maximum overdrive.
I'll break down my 6-step process that takes under 10 minutes and requires 0 tech skills. By the end you'll know how to make AI vlogs so good that people will wonder how you pull them off. And you'll also know exactly where to find viral videos you can replicate for guaranteed results. And if you're new here, my name is Christian. If you're interested in stepping up your ecom game, hit that subscribe button and let's jump right in. First, pick your character. Now the Bigfoot vlog style videos are very popular, but you aren't limited to this. You can do stormtroopers, mythical creatures, or even a custom character unique to your brand. To create one of these, head over to Gemini and use Nano Banana. Just describe your character, for example, a friendly yeti in a puffer jacket, and it will generate your base model. For this demo, let's stick with the Bigfoot idea. Let's say we are selling AG1. I'll upload my Bigfoot photo and a photo of the AG1 product. Then I add the prompt, make the character from photo 1 hold the bottle from the photo 2. And here's the result, perfect for our video. Now we need a viral video to model. Don't reinvent the wheel here, just find what's already working. I'll use Virlo for this. It's basically a search engine for videos that are trending across TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts. Inside Virlo, go to Orbit Search. It tracks real-time trends across platforms. I've set an orbit for Bigfoot AI vlogs, and it shows me the outliers, videos performing way above average. Right now, Bigfoot comedy seems to be quite popular. Here you'll also get valuable insights on what type of video to create to get viral, when to post, and what works right now in this niche. This is where I also found the Bigfoot with Red Bull clip.
Alright, mortals keep saying Red Bull gives you wings. Bro, I already live in trees, what else do I need? Jet engines? Let's try it. Oh my god. Oh, what the trees! My neurons are breakdancing in zero gravity, and my eyelids are fighting a mutant octopus. I can hear colors. I think I just unlocked night vision. Someone stop me before I marry a raccoon.
It's funny, it's structured perfectly, and we'll just replicate that, but swap Red Bull for the AG1 product. Next, we'll need the dialogue. Grab the captions from the viral clip that you found and head over to ChatGPT. You can use a platform that extracts the captions for free for you. Inside GPT, you can just say rewrite the script for my product and just specify what product you need that for. And you should get a polished brand-ready script in seconds that is funny and keeps the same style as the original, but of course you can go and further polish it if you want. Next, we need to create the storyboard. We'll break our ad into 4 key scenes. First, the hook, where Bigfoot introduces the drink, the action, where he tries the drink and he is amazed, the value stack, where Bigfoot talks about the health benefits of the drink, and the transformation, where Bigfoot becomes his athletic alter ego. For the first 3 scenes, we have our reference photo to create the videos. They all show Bigfoot holding the AG1 drink. But for that last scene, we need the athletic Bigfoot, so we'll head back to Nano Banana or ChatGPT and use the same original Bigfoot reference image. Just paste a prompt like this, make Bigfoot wear running shorts and shoes holding a selfie stick. And we'll get the same exact Bigfoot character just in the new outfit. Now in a document, write short descriptions for each of the scenes. Just adapt them from that original viral video. Virlo will handle the rest, creating the generation prompts automatically. Now it's time to bring the scenes to life. This is where most people fail. They can't keep the look consistent. We'll use Veo 3.1 inside Virlo. Inside the Creator Hub, go to Media Generation, click New Generation. For each scene, upload your reference photo, add the scene description, and drop in your dialogue. So let's generate the first scene. Virlo automatically builds the complex prompts for you and lets you tweak camera movements, lighting, audio, and more. And look at that.
Mortals keep saying, bro, try AG1, it'll boost your energy. Boost? I already exist in maximum overdrive.
Perfect clip sync, natural lighting, and it looks identical to our reference Bigfoot. Now we'll have to repeat this process for the scenes 2 and 3. And here's what we've got. Because we've reused the same character reference, the AI logged the character in. we get the hilarious reaction shot of Bigfoot trying the drink, followed by him explaining the benefits. For the last scene, we'll upload the athletic Bigfoot photo we made in step number 4, and even though he's now in running gear, the Veo 3.1 model is giving us a seamless transformation that looks consistent. And the final result is funny, engaging, and maintains 100% character consistency. Now download your clips, drop them in your favorite editor, and stitch them together. You can also add some trending background music if you want, and you're good to go.
Mortals keep saying, bro, try AG1, it'll boost your energy. Boost? I already exist in maximum overdrive. All right, let's see what this suspicious green juice tastes like. Oh my God, wait, what is happening? My cells just threw a surprise party. My mitochondria are doing backflips. I can taste my vitamins. I think I just unlocked clean energy mode. No crash, just enlightenment.
You've got a viral ready ad that looks like entertainment but sells like crazy. This is a strategy that can blow up your online sales. Find what's trending, swap the product, and let Virlo and Veo handle the heavy lifting. If you want to see how I create longer AI videos with consistent character using Veo 3, you can watch this video next. Click it and I'll see you there.